Ebusuafo semimuno semamuno endie emfaso bia ni memuna no so de bia Ghana de foforo ba ni yeye dede ni yetiemu a eya me say yempanyifo omfa ye ho. It no matter the situation that we be going through, you have to put out a smile. Masere mpono no on se sere ye ne ma yenke bi shemu rightly at a report ye kire say by Monday pure water will be sold at 50 pesos. Not because say pure water na ye tumu keke. Now when the reason it kire say the cost of production and distribution is too high. One more will be a pure water company no. Mo fashion mutirim say a light and ye de printed rubber no. Printer and ye de printed rubber no. Ye issue light and ye se bunsuo. Na say me no ha and the water company for say they are coming to increase the water bill. And ye buy pa ye de ba and ye filter no. And your money ye de filter sa no money na price akoko soro. It is ye better pure water 30 pesos ah. And no nipa no be sa company no. Wano na oboka. It's now the cost of the production a problem. And when nipa no so we be a company no, yen can say companies be Ghana no. It is not owned buildings no, it's not owned by the company. Brebre na nkofo fie no mai den o ma rent. Few people and ye omo fie and omo ye production of the pure water. And two, ya say employing nkofo so emu ye adwuma. Because pure water na say na obedu nsabe so no one no pere. Na wa to pure water na twe no. Ka hu se kwabra ne na tina so no beer rubber no and we steal is rubber no say nipa na eji pay and your minimum wage also be aji o man we mu sa nkofo no so wa adwuma mu they are demanding from their bosses that their money should be what increase, their monthly salary should be increased. It is as kind of all demanding no boss no so fia onim sampa the workers pay needs to be increased because work can go fie na ko 6 million kanina. Say transport fare na nipa ni bebe adwuma no ye increase it. The cost of production and distribution is high. Yes say pure water ni wi a musan kan hu say ye de beku car mu petrol ni yasa ga say by 21st ye increase by 30%. It go for it na so mu say there be as ye na to pure water no ye be ye adwuma boka e no bi enu so we bi adwuma o ye adwuma na ma na boka because owo busua. Though a human a service to human being, but a selfish interest no heading or dream on my baby. Where and a Ghana for NTS here. But now this goes to our president. Nana, your videos I will play on during your campaigns, especially on 2016 or 2020, because I don't know how the finance should that. And I watch it as a Uber the Atuaso. But on 2016, you tell us we should vote for change. And is this the change Ghanaians are seeing? Dear only who wasam, I bet you say was say say. But economically, I won't bet you I will say na Ghana for Brana. I will say any I won't chile na. I will say I won't chile when you come. Hey, this is a top water 50 pesos. It won't top your tobacco now do maunia. Hey, me won popo. Hey, any party say, pay say, and any party a workplace. Dollar rate na akosuri o. And I'm sure na ubenom ama wakuma na ehuru anopa ewia enumere no. Abrase no. Yesi sansuo na ubeton sa sachet water no. Minia about 50 pesos. And can you bet to my top pipe and no more? But money will say, Senkofu Nima, for the past few months ago, who be a water who be a piper, na a fee, na was a more fee potato. It won't do no sansuno. Sansuno, I say, I filter a bar, a cigar to museo. A year next, if you go to certain part of a client, other places. If you know you no a poor pipe no. First, I go to me the one so I no kakra. say eno kasa ba wo de si wa efie wa ase no uyem ba hyew sanke bi eni boya din se e be kasa o ye kwa konum sansuo no mukai ene Ghana fo the abani na say we have nothing, we have no option because say o kwan bi e be sisa de o kwan. These people are talking based on something. They are not increasing it because of anything. No. Their reason is because the cost of production and distribution. And with all factors, in Kofuidika, almost to me, women know because Obi na ye Jumano, Obi na be any company, and Obi na go to your light no day, light in this year too. Obi so be any company so the Busia, no the abobra. It's one person watching, Obi a person who bet them. And as I say, the Albany nan say, oh, sorry, okay, you got off foam. Now they are share pipe nano. Now, okita or bottle. Now they won't so no asa. Up a bottle, no as swap your twins, you know. We are now the share fridge. Mutubo set it, no, Bokon Kofu, na bottle. I can see, no, sa liter and soon bottle, no, poke liter bottle nation before they actually say, near a book up near them. Se anche kra ba ka ni won san ka fen na pure water ni wono ye de pure water ni si etiri emu de block no ma sansuo fu pipe mu de gu omiti su na block shem na udu bebi aye de cap asamo amike bi to ye be sakoyeti enkofo bi ba be sha ase at the pipe nsuo aka so ma filter ni kakra ana mo mbe sa to this sachet water no ma tete anu de gu rubber bowl mu na ye de cap atu echire tudu ana wasa na o de anu ye be sako. They say no answer for bottle. Now they are on show. But the question is say, Empono at our rural areas, any villages, no, they don't get much access to this nice pure water na yenu Omu use mostly pipe. Any of you are rivers na no. Me call mountains emrebi months ago. And a river be a essence yes no de enreda. Nsuo nani a eye fe utumi se bi kura nom na onum a come mountain na wo hwe bubo ni nsuo na eba na onum esen pure water na wankasa wonum no but ene sa rivers na nkofo bekas oh pure water akosoro nti enye reduce pure water to ni enko rivers no eno na ada ni tea no it will be a for the kapa enye problem mama wo be etutu galamsey no wo fa kapa wo du river ofin a now the cap na hyensuo no na wasati no na wanom because they say river na ye hia no enye river biom eye to wo no pure water ko river fin river bonsu nsuo etu galamsey na galamsey fofa ono ai ko sasa nsuo ni bi no. This is one of the major reasons and for fighting against this galamsey nipa na wo ye galamsey no and other cells. Ni edine ko to reminder and ni accomplice we fenti. We see that make I shall some no. I'm trying to say about Ghana. When I make catch it out. Onu wa say yes yo and the pure water na obe no no. Mu we fi say ye machine say the pure water no. Bebre na ye craft China e ba Ghana ha. Asani ya pure water. Onu ni krom de mu production maye na pure water no no de wa ba. Nsuo ni ebesa kakra free river ni aye pure water ni anu ni afiote no ono de aye galamsey na nsuo ni mu asai ebusiafo ensem de yesi ebeka Ghana ensem de na me cho se ensem a yetese o Ghana no meme ma ye international de beba na wetie bi no se sei na ekọ e wo man we mu ai issue e ba na obo se Comment Association of Ghana on Facebook and Instagram ye post di pe na nkofo ensem o mo ka e wo social media enti baby a wo bia come and read the comment. The Uncle and not every comment, the relevant one, the one people are talking about. That if you listen to me say, Ghana phone ya umu someone meka, intini yeja comment one, timisumi kaebiama. Now so ja comment go asio. Ai, na ya ma be ready ma kan de amount. Yen ya Bema Nicholas Wazaski McDaniels Dale. Tell you okay. Was useless and incompetent government. Shall we die of hunger before you know that we are really going through tough times in Ghana? God, please save us all. bright back door. Or see, if Ghana Water had connected hygienic, potable water to every household in this country, who will bother buying Sachet water? That is a question mark. Cost of living have been cut down. This na rocket science. Common water and the air press ye benum say. Yen ya be mai chire say. Sanka water company for betuma boyen. Na ye de hygienic water na beba. We no ebetuma boama ye be filter nsuo no e wo fie ne ano no so that it will bring down the cost of living. Common sense Ghana for ni bi. Ye ni bi. They say Ghana Water Company no ya filter nsuo no the only answer dey by now dey see no man. I had to say river na. Okay, yen ya bema Julius Ata Oko Ayi. Eke didi ni granny or the granny to me twaso. Ata Ayi ken Kenya get she comments say eke. So both pure water and transport fares are about to be increased in the coming days. My video about transport fares, you know. And the little water bodies left, too, we have allowed foreigners to destroy it for us. Where are we heading to as a country? I just hope this increment is not because of the Queen's death. Oh, God bless us all. Somehow when himself, maybe I want to buy Ghana, I want to one that I go for the dinner by say COVID any Russian talk it and I hope say Queen Elizabeth ewu no ya mbeka say Ghana water ni na ya kra dia ma Queen Elizabeth na mfa woro ne body no eno na Ata Oko Ayi e ka kire yen na me sa to aso akinkan ajanga Bismarck otumu se we de ofisire mu a mi boni di ni biom atinkan anyanga Bismarck. Also, we are getting there. And what they do up? The change we voted for has come with its importance. Hallelujah. This is an insane government. When you admire your team, so that's here. When you admire your team, the change that we voted for, and it's important. I want to say your cost is here. You see the importance of fish, the characteristics of fish. When you are characteristics to the importance of change, we voted for the MPP government. Yeah. Bismarck boy. Honestly say, this is the reason why some of us are against the destruction of water bodies by Galamsey. We can no longer drink water from our river bodies anymore, which some of us were brought up by. God have mercy on our politicians. Your politicians no my bread. A politicians no my tia bobo. This is the reason why I'm for you. Many children say, Anka ya bomba ya say ya beba Galamsey no so bete. Na you see na rivers na mono. Eja omo krasi na nyanso anom. Eja pipe send it to me call. And the pipe na yon call Galamsey na yasa sensuo no. Na yeso enya potable water no enya hygienic. And we pure water ni yasa beto no. You see high by next week 50 pesos. On my way, yet Simu Obaria Kashi was Jemiwa. Yenya John Statistics Mensa. Or see, you see, when old men and the women are working, while youth are at the game center. So I say, when we yami pa, I'm reading it again. Or see, you see, when old men and the women are working, while youth are at the game center, these are the outcome. What kind of country is this? I rest my case. Maya yetimuno say a man kokira wani brewa for the betine mu a na mbrantie no at the game center ebunu mu ye pa o pa ebunu mu wie school no mu nya adwuma ye itu omo tete game center and asebio ebunu mu ra abefo browsing ya ebe friend fraud yi mu a sa na beba no because empenyifo na dwe no ada aye akate menopause achiomo ene me limo helkem kwame ameka me enameka see ye empenyifo ni na omadwen aye akate. And I will never say it without excuse. All my dream I cake because me need information with the tour Emma Ghana for These people need to be out of this position. Me pu elfu papa. Because they have been retired long time ago, but they are still ruling. They are still in power and seeking for power, so that they will look for properties for their children. Now, mumano unkwasiam pokolano abeka chira meme ne wo say, hey, ye papa ene ye mame ambobre ye. So mu refi say ye mame ne ye papa no. Omo wia Ghana sika. Omo pension pay enu kura hwe ene teacher ni wie school. Otua de wie no kwatene fia ne ma ne 100 million. Ahe edan se no besi the teacher ni bebo bra be kohwe no esi 2 bedroom apartment nso awo mba 4 nkwala ni wia no mbeko odan no. This is the kind of country we are living in. I will say it again as a youth. Our leaders, your mind is a gate. A gem when your monopause. Move free your mind in mind. Now you to me poor mind say to me bua. Pure water. You top pure water abrochilo. You the queen and the question you. Then to me you drink and you turn 5 cents 3 cents ano. Epie na so aha. You take kaputuo and the ton so you be no. You be go back to where we started. Hey, mo turn pure water. Now mo turn ice block your friend bomb no. Mo starting teaching. You better the 10 pesos. Na ye bre e wo mani mu. Me did dwumedie e bre me di nilimo elikem kwame amega. Wo betimi afra me. Effort end and I met you so na me catch us say etu be kwa so ya say enye obi ase ni trufi say enfro bia ma ne be ba chance so ya den. E ma enua wo say na me kasa na ma e bre kwa me hiti they paying for they need that much correction. Message to me on every Monday and every Friday on this channel every 6 p.m. I am on live to talk about Ghana and some Ghana some when me hiti. We will always say just sometimes oh yeah then I'll be warm maya yeah so be a coward no we leave you bra e dey akọ that's any you be say share. Bye bye.
Onyado for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan e na wasiewie e na wo penchen papa e de aboso anadan a wutimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum ni true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda